Hello guys, welcome you all on my YouTube channel. Today I will discuss the analysis of LLM entrance test 2024 which was held yesterday. So this exam consists of 100 marks, number of questions are 50 and total time is 60 minutes. So let's discuss the paper. Question number 1. Primary proponent of the positivist school of thought was. The correct answer of this question is John Austin. Positivist school is also known as analytical school. And the next question is, which of the following schools of thought believe that law is an embodiment of reason, whether in the individual or the community? It is nothing else than an ordinance of reason for the common good made by him who has care of the community and promulgated. The right answer of this question is natural school. Question number third. Who stated that law is a command of the sovereign backed by sanction? So this statement is given by John Austin. Next question is, the aim of social engineering is to build as effective a structure of society as possible, which requires the satisfaction of the maximum of bonds with the minimum of friction and waste. Law is social engineering. Which school of thought believes so? So the option number D is correct, sociological school. Question number fifth is, which of the following jurist has classified sources of law into the following categories? Formal sources of law and material sources of law. So the right answer is Salmon. Question number six is, separation of judiciary from the executive is given in which of the following articles of the Constitution of India? So article number 50 is the right answer. Next question is, the concept of the rule of law was given by A.V. Dicey. Next question is, which article of the Indian Constitution deals with the establishment of administrative tribunals? Article number 323A is the right answer. Next question is, tribunals are the part of executive administration, but they are quasi in nature. So the right answer is quasi judicial administrative adjudication. Next question is, which of the following principle is binding upon the tribunals? So all the principles are correct. The right answer is option number D, all the above. Next question is, which of the following statements accurately describe the judicial interpretation of the basic structure doctrine in Indian constitutional law? So here they talk about the judicial interpretation. So the option number C is correct because they are talking about the Keshwan and the Bharti case. Next question is, which of the following doctrines was applied by the Supreme Court of India in the Mill River Mills case to strike down certain amendments of the Constitution? So the option number D is correct, doctrine of basic structure. Next question is, money mill has been defined in the Constitution of India under which article? Article number 110. Question number 14. In which case did the Supreme Court of the India introduce the theory of implied limitations on the amending power of the Parliament under Article 368? So the right answer is Keshwananda Bharti case versus State of Kerala. Next question is, which of the following statement best describe the significance of the S.R. Bommai judgment? So the right answer is option number A. It clarified the scope of judicial review in relation to the imposition of President rule under Article 356. Next question is, the legal principle of actus non facit reum nisi mens sit rea is reflected in which section of the Indian Penal Code 1860? So right answer is section number 39. Next question is, recently enacted the three new criminal laws, Bharatiya Nagrik Suraksha Sanhita, Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita and Bharatiya Sakshi Adhiniyam will be effective from which of the following dates? So this is very simple question. Answer number A, 1st July 2024. Question number 18. Which of the following sections of the Indian Penal Code defines abatement? So the right answer is section number 107, option number A. Now the next question is, which landmark case established the principle that in furtherance of common intention under section 34 IPC requires a pre-arranged plan and an act done in concert Concert pursuant to that plan. Option number B is correct. Mehboob Shah versus King Emperor. Now the next question is, which section of the IPC provides for the offense of dowry death? Section number 304B. Next question is, which section of the Indian Evidence Act 1872 deals with the admissibility of dying declaration? So the right answer is option number A, section 32. Which section of the Indian Evidence Act provides for the admissibility of electronic records? Section number 65 is the right answer. Now the next question is, in the context of the Indian Evidence Act 1872, the term hearsay evidence is generally considered. The right answer is secondary evidence, and and this question is cancelled. Now the next question is 24. Section number 121 of the Indian Evidence Act provides for privilege to judges and magistrates. Now the next question is, examination in chief, cross-examination and re-examination have been defined in which of the following sections? Section number 137 is the right answer. Next question is, which landmark case established the public trust doctrine in environmental jurisprudence? The right answer is MC Mehta versus Kamal Nath. Next question is, air pollution is defined in the Air Prevention and Control of Pollution Act 1981 under section number 2B. This is the correct answer. Now the next question is, under the Wildlife Protection Act 1972, which schedule provides the highest level of protection to species? So the right answer is schedule number 1. Now the next question is, which article of the Constitution of India deals with the fundamental duty with respect to the environment? The right answer is article number 51A, clause number G. Now the next question is, the polluter pays principle in the Indian environmental law implies. Option number A is correct. The polluter must pay for the damage caused to the environment. Now the next question is a 31 number question. Which section of the Hindu Marriage Act specifies the ground for divorce? Section number 13. Now the next question is, in the case of Sarla Mudgal versus Union of India, which key issue was addressed by the Supreme Court of India? Right answer is bigamy among Hindus. Next question is, the doctrine of pious obligation under Hindu law primarily relates to debts of the father. Next question is, under the Hindu Adoption and Maintenance Act 1956, which of the following conditions must be met for a valid adoption by a Hindu male? Right answer is consent of his wife. Now the next question is, which section of the Hindu Succession Act 1956 was amended to grant equal co-partnership rights to daughters? Right answer is section number 6. Under the Muslim Personal Law Shariat Application Act 1937, which areas of law are specifically governed by Muslim personal law for Muslims in India? Right answer is option number A. Next question is, in the context of Islamic law, which term refers to the dissolution of marriage by mutual agreement? Right answer is Mubarat. Now the next question is, which case is a landmark decision by the Supreme Court of India regarding the maintenance rights of divorced Muslim women? Right answer is Muhammad Ahmad Khan versus Shah Banu Begum. Now the next question is, which section of the Indian Contract Act 1872 defines contingent contract? Section number 31 is correct answer. Offer has been defined under which provisions of Indian Contract Act? Option number A is correct, section number 2A. Which under the Indian Contract Act 1872, an agreement in restraint of trade is a void to the extent of such restraint. Option number B is correct. In which of the following scenarios does section 73 of the Indian Contract Act 1872 regarding compensation for loss or damage caused by breach of contract? Option number B is correct. Now the next question is, which section of the Indian Contract Act 1872 deals with the performance of reciprocal promises? Section number 51 is correct answer. Now this question also has been cancelled by the university. In the context of Indian contract law, the doctrine of quantum merit applies when. The right answer is option number D, a party seeks punitive damages, but this question has been deleted. So there is no relevance of this question. Now the next question is, which of the following principles is considered a just cogence norm under international law? The right answer is prohibition of genocide. Now the next question is, with the concept of opinio juris is critical to the formation of which source of international law? The right answer is customary international law. Now the next question is, states are not bound by treaties unless it is ratified. Option number B is correct. Now the next question is, in which case did the International Court of Justice affirm the principle that states have an obligation not to allow their territory to be used for acts contrary to the rights of other states? The right answer is Corfu Channel case. Now the next question is, which of the following statement about the Vienna Convention on the Law of Treaties 1969 is correct? Option number D is correct in this case. Now the last question is, which organization is primarily responsible for maintaining international peace and security? Option number C is correct. So this is all about the question paper and its analysis. Also, question number 23 and 44 has been cancelled. So the total number of questions are for 98. And please let me know in comment section how much you score in that exam, and hope you like this video. Thank you.